very how I ask this is a very nice exercise for the tourists who come to Latvia, who want to some actions in Latvia and want to drive the tank and armored visual.
Yes, it was a very good planned event. We found it on YouTube. We are a group of 22 people from Malta. This is something quite unique to us. We enjoyed it very much, and we will tell our friends about it also to come again.
Oh, this is very nice.
Good, fantastic.
Yeah.